Yes, somebody did not. You want to vote for him again. People are suffering. Then what do you want to come back and do now? What we have is a broken down system. Today, to travel in Nigeria, you have to pray and believe God for safe journey. Get one thing right. Nigerians are not asking for too much. If you can't get power, give us security. Can't give us security, let us be able to buy things cheap. Just do one. Don't vote for them. Don't be shocked if this new week now you read them attacking me online. No. There are people abroad today who are not abroad because they want too many wealth. It's because they want safety. That's why somebody can leave medical doctor and become a taxi driver abroad. You are laughing at him, but he's under an atmosphere that is safe. He wants to be able to go out and he's not worried that he'll be kidnapped. Today, to travel in Nigeria, you have to pray and believe God for safe journey. Is that a country? Don't mock them when they're abroad. How can somebody leave this place and now go there? He's safe. I interact with people as I travel. They'll tell me, say, Apostle, I don't like this place I'm in. I want to go back home, say, but I'm safe here. I don't want too much. I want to be able to go to the farm and come back. I'm safe. But that's not what we have now. What we have is a broken down system. Most of you are not in politics. Get involved. Again, how can you get involved when people have now occupied your space? You can't be local government chairman unless you're in a clique. Local government chairman or chairman of local people, they will pick you. It's not by election, it's by selection. They will pick you. And it's corrupted. If people rig themselves into power, let it be clear that they rig, not that you voted for them. First 4 years, somebody did not, you want to vote for him again. First term is when people really work. If you fail like this first term, what are you coming? All this nonsense, performance is the best form of campaign. You didn't perform, that's why you are destroying opposition, doing all kinds of, because you fail. Is it a spell that you can't talk? Are things good? From $460 to $1,500. See, fuel. Then what do you want to come back and do now? What are you coming back to do? See, some of us now, they are going to a news house to analyze what we are saying. But years ago, when I was speaking against Jonathan, they were clapping for me. These same people, when Chibok girls were kidnapped and I was speaking that Jonathan, you failed, release it, they were clapping because they were attacking every just to lay hold on power. That's the truth. You failed the class, you want to come back again. You fail, go. You go. Get one thing right. Nigerians are not asking for too much. If you can't get power, give us security. Can't give us security, let us be able to buy things cheap. Just do one right. Light, zero. You even have solar in the villa. Don't be shocked if this new week now you read them attacking me online. No. Don't be shocked. Don't worry, forget. We have conquered media, forget. When you talk, you go rest. People are suffering. I open my phone now. I see your messages. I don't have that resources to attend to everybody. Legit, people are hungry. I see my phone, everybody's hungry. People can't travel, they can't go anywhere. Kidnap is not a business. Hey, what are you campaigning? You like, vote for them again. If you rig yourself, let the judgment be on you that you rig. But don't vote for them. Are you for what I'm saying? Don't vote for government that empowers people to kill you. If you go around the world, like I do, the anger, everything is working. So far, you have failed. So far. It's not bias. The other ones that call themselves opposition is even more terrible. Because everybody wants to lead. Nobody wants to step down. Everybody wants to lead. You're even asking yourself, where are we going? I'm not standing anywhere. I'm standing on what is right. But I believe God. I don't know how God will do it. But we will be alive and see a Nigeria of our dream. We will be alive. And 1 a.m. people will travel and nobody will hurt them. Not just about prayer. God will raise up people somehow that would access power and show people what and requires to live in the same country.
Yesterday, people fraudulently took over democracy. And the cries of APC Ole rang in the air. Yesterday, the same House of Rep that has shown themselves to be a beacon of democracy went against what they did and became an aberration by trying to rescind what they passed initially in December that was in the interest of the people, and they railroaded the people. Because you can see the voting process in this was reports when clearly the speaker railroaded the opinion of others. And that's why the cries of thief, fraud rang the air. Yesterday, I cried for the death of democracy in my country. You see, for all the partakers in the looting of democracy, go ahead, have your day. Maybe you will have your elections. You've passed laws that favor you. We will see if the people will give you a chance. And that's why I call on you, the Nigerian people, to not sleep while they rape democracy. The National Assembly, the Fed House of Rep, had passed something. Then we started seeing, when the likes of Honorable Balogun came on this show, I started saying what the Senate passed was good enough. So we knew their plan. that they wanted to align. And they brought it yesterday and they eroded the people. And that's why people protested. Kudos to those that protested. You see, they can't stand the weight of democracy. That's why police resorted to tear gas on the face of the people. The Senate too, and for the love of God, please, the Senate should be able to show us electronic voting components. Not just by saying they should raise up their hand and they count them. No. The likes of the lion of the Senate, I would like to give him a name today, Inaya Baribi, stood up. And he protested about that devilish proviso, which we all say is a rigging machine. And you will see the 2027 elections. Shambolic it's going to be. Let's not deceive ourselves. It's a rigging machine. Because we have done the empirical analysis to show that you can actually have 97 to 98% transmission in this country. But they deliberately went against it. Then Senator Akpabio, in his magnanimity, said, okay, let's put it to a vote. Obviously, you know it was going to be a trouncing. But you know that proviso is inimical to democracy. So they went ahead and they passed it. The truth is, they should keep raping democracy. We have seen it. We've seen it. Gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀, gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀, bí Nigeria ṣe bàjẹ́, gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀. You all have a hand in it. The story of how this country gets destroyed every day. It will be on record. We spoke our parts. We will not sugarcoat the truth here. We say it the way it is. We don't want you to like it. It's not a popularity contest. I'm fighting for my nation and for the generations yet unborn. It's not for some people in government today. Because it's transient. Even if they do up to 2031, they will still go one day.
Judges Conference. I thank you all for your kind attention.
History will be kind to Rufai Oseni of Arise Television, one of the finest journalists of his time. History will be kind to you. For the Nigerian judiciary, we await the killing of Nigerian democracy by the judgment that you will deliver soon on the case of the opposition. We are expecting that the Nigerian judiciary will be on the spotlight when, according to leaks, they will send the case of ADC back to the lower court. According to leaks, due to pressure from the executive. A judiciary that is singing on your mandate we shall stand. A judiciary that has lost its salt. A judiciary that is no longer the hope of a common man. A child that is dancing the Surugede dance should be reminded that Surugede dance is the dance of the dead. When a child sells the father's land to buy a trumpet, the question will be, on which land will he stand to blow the trumpet? Nigerian judiciary, Nigerian democracy. Nigerian judiciary, Nigerian democracy. Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. On whose side will you be on? Will you be some of those pastors that have finally gone mute when the country is burning down? The pastors that cried out even when things were better under Goodluck Jonathan. Will you be the Shoyinkas of this world that has finally lost his voice in the face of tyranny? Let me know what you think in the arena as we await the verdict of the Supreme Court. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. See something, say something, and please do something. This is Open Whispers. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share the video. Thank you and God bless.
That's why I call on you, the Nigerian people, to not sleep while they rape democracy. And you will see the 2027 elections. Shambolic it's going to be. Let's not deceive ourselves. It's a rigging machine. The truth is, they should keep raping democracy. We have seen it. We've seen it. Gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀, gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀, bí Nigeria ṣe bàjẹ́, gbogbo yin lẹ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀. You all have a hand in it. the story of how this country gets destroyed every day. It will be on record. We spoke our parts. We will not sugarcoat the truth here. We say it the way it is. We don't want you to like it. It's not a popularity contest. I'm fighting for my nation and for the generations yet unborn.